Okay, this is Jessica from Chambray Blue Sewing. I'm going to show you how to finish the bottom of a shirt for men's or women's style that has a placket. And you should always have a clean finish at the bottom here where your facing meets the hem of the garment, and then I usually top stitch over it as well just to make sure that it stays where it's supposed to and you don't have it rolling any one direction. It should be straight and flat and even with the hem of the shirt. So as you can see, I've already installed the facing. I have understitched the facing to the seam allowance. That's what this row of stitching is here. And then I go back over the same row of stitching again from the front to do a top stitch, and that just makes it a nice finish. It keeps the facing from flopping out after laundering, and it just keeps everything where it's supposed to be. So to finish the bottom, and this one I have not finished the bottom, so I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to fold the facing back like so, and then we're going to stitch across the bottom with a 5/8 inch seam allowance. And you just want to have a nice tight edge here. Make sure you push with your fingers so that there's no extra fabric at the top. And I always back tack a bit there to hold it in place.